We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive overview of the Lifewit Large Lunch Bag Insulated Lunchbox Soft Cooler Cooling Tote. If you've used this product, we encourage you to leave your own review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. This lunch bag has become a popular choice for many, and here's what users have to say about its features, performance, and overall usability. The Lifewit Large Lunch Bag is designed with thermal insulation to keep food and drinks cool or warm for over 5 hours. Many reviewers appreciate this feature, noting that it effectively maintains the temperature of their meals during long commutes or outings. The interior lining is made of food-grade PEVA foil, which allows users to place food directly inside without concerns about safety or contamination. Additionally, the built-in 6 mm EP foam provides excellent protection for containers, food, and drinks, making it a reliable choice for both work lunches and outdoor activities. One of the standout features mentioned by users is the bag's spacious capacity. With dimensions of 11.8 x 9.1 x 9.1 inches and a maximum capacity of 15 liters, it can comfortably store up to 24 cans of soda or various combinations of sandwiches, salads, snacks, drinks, and fruits. Several reviewers were surprised by its size upon receiving it, noting that it exceeded their expectations in terms of storage space. For example, one user shared that they could fit an entire 18-pack of eggs along with an iPad Pro 11-inch inside the bag with room to spare. This versatility makes it suitable for office use, picnics, beach trips, and other outings. The exterior construction is another highlight of this product. Made from durable 600D water-resistant Oxford fabric, the lunch bag is both leak-proof and waterproof. Users have praised its ability to hold ice and liquids without leaking while maintaining its shape and integrity. The material is also dirt-proof and easy to clean, which adds to its practicality for everyday use. The strong zippers further enhance durability, minimizing the risk of breakage even with frequent use. Convenience and portability are key aspects that users appreciate about this lunch bag. The lid opens widely with two-way zippers, allowing easy access to items inside without spilling liquids or causing messes. Tough handles and an adjustable shoulder strap provide multiple carrying options, catering to different preferences and needs. Many reviewers found the shoulder strap particularly useful during long walks or commutes. Additionally, the front zippered pocket and side pockets offer extra storage space for small items like utensils, keys, or earbuds, adding to its functionality. In terms of aesthetics, the wine red color has received positive feedback from users who find it stylish and appealing. The modern design complements its practical features, making it a great choice for both men and women. While most reviews are overwhelmingly positive, some users have shared insights into potential limitations based on their experiences. For instance, one reviewer noted that adding more ice packs reduces available space for food and drinks, a factor worth considering depending on individual needs. Another user expressed curiosity about testing the durability of the shoulder strap under maximum capacity, but remained optimistic about its sturdiness based on initial impressions. Long-term users have provided updates on how well the lunch bag holds up over time. One reviewer shared that after 2 years of regular use, the bag remains in excellent condition with no signs of wear or damage. They highlighted its reliable insulation performance, stating that it consistently kept items cold for extended periods when paired with ice packs. Overall impressions indicate that this lunch bag offers exceptional value for money. Users frequently mention its sturdiness, insulation capabilities, spaciousness, and stylish design as reasons for recommending it to others. Whether you need a reliable lunchbox for work or a versatile cooler for family outings, this product seems to deliver on all fronts. If you're looking for a durable and functional lunch bag that combines style with practicality, the Lifewit Large Lunch Bag appears to be an excellent choice based on user feedback. Don't forget, the link to purchase this product is in the description. Supporting our channel by using that link helps us continue bringing you detailed reviews like this one.